Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual rear wheels, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, power steering, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, tachometer, front reading lamps. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.